everybody, it's been a few days. Today we are going to look at this 1987 Pontiac Fiero Iron Duke. I want to get y'all's opinions on what you think about this car and what you take on this car as a project. As you can see, it has been slammed into. Right here, the fender is pushed in and it's cracked. Fiberglass is messed up right there on top of the hood. I'm not sure if they have the cover right there. This is the back of it. Doesn't look too bad. The worst part is this passenger side right here. It's really pushed in. Then he did this to show how you'd have to straighten it. And then I'm looking at it, it's like you would really have to straighten it out, but then you look, it's bent in right there because you see the rubber curves right there. So it's not only straightening this out, it's like fixing inside the body right there. If that would, inside the trunk area, if that would bother you under the hood right there. And if you look here, you can see it from the driver's side. All right, well, this is what he said right here. He said, it runs and moves, but not without some help with a squirt bottle of gas. Needs a fuel pump. Filter and injector are brand new. Biggest task is the front end work. Here's the situation. Suspension and unharmed except for a bent passenger side tie rod and a driver's side blown tire. Fender and hood support are mangled, but could be persuaded back into shape with enough sludge/slide hammers. I've included a picture of where the sheet metal should be for reference. Fiberglass hood could be repaired, but they could be found used for pretty cheap. Fender is plastic. Same story, available online. Used for a fair price. Might have to color match it. I'll do the work and sell it as a run and inspected car, but the collection of projects has reached its breaking point. Come see it in person. It's really not a lost cause. Let's take a look again. Let me know. Let's take a look again. Let me know what you guys think. It's like, see, fixing that, getting that straight, you'd really have to do some pulling. Okay, you can see up there where the rubber is sticking up there, where it's pushed in. Some right there. So I'm not sure. Like, it wouldn't bother me for some of the pieces, like, you know, inside, I guess, too much, but then again, it might. Because I'm like OCD like that, and would bother me, like, oh, every time I opened it and seen like a dent or something inside. But if this part right here could be fixed, if I could straighten this part out and get it looking, you know, decent enough, probably wouldn't be as bad. He's asking $250 for it. Let me know what you guys think. Would you pay $250 for this? Do you think that it'd be worth fixing? You had to get a fender. You could fix the fiberglass or just get a new hood. Let me know what you think. I'll show you the pictures of the inside. Here's another post up. Here is the pictures of the inside of the Fiero. It doesn't look bad at all. It looks pretty good. Thinking he may have seat covers, but other than that, it doesn't look bad on the inside. And that's just another car he's selling. I'm not interested in the bottom view. But leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think of the Fiero. Also, you guys, I may have found a potential parts car for my 89 Sentra. I really would not want to take this car apart, but because the body of this car actually looks better than mine. This one has no engine, but it has a transmission and everything. Actually got him to send me some pictures. I'll show you. Hang on. Here's the picture of this 89 Sentra. It doesn't have the engine. It was removed, but you see the transmission still there. So I'm thinking if I did use it as a parts car, obviously I would use the door, the fender, and possibly the hood, and then I'll just paint them. But I'm like, I don't know, because this one's in such good condition. Maybe I fixed this one too. So I have to figure it out. Maybe I can I haven't been able to find any parts for mine in the junkyard that's close to us. So I might have to, see if there's any ones out further that I could possibly find some parts.